Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the Ruined Tower in Gothic 1 Remake. The Ruined Tower is a location in Gothic 1 where you can find various valuable items, including arguably one of the best early game accessories in the game. The Ruined Tower is located here on the map, just across Cavalorn's hut. We have a video on the channel showing how to get a map, so make sure to check it out. However, the tower is locked and you'll need a key to open it. To obtain the key, follow my path until you reach these two bandits below. Drop down behind them and loot this chest right here to find the key to the tower. Be careful not to get spotted, or the bandits will threaten you and steal all of your aura nuggets. Now carefully climb back up to avoid being seen.
Just alone.
Then drop down right here to reach the front entrance of the tower. Use the key to unlock the door, and you'll now be able to freely explore the tower. And that's how to unlock the Ruined Tower in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.